Hi everyone, my name is Shiro. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how to make stuffed peppers. It's going to be really tasty, and we are going to start off with 500 grams of minced meat or ground beef, whatever you call it. And I'm going to add my chopped onions. I got this vegetable slicer from my local store, and it's really nice because it helps me achieve the really finely sliced vegetable size. I'm going to let it cook, not so much because I'll be putting it in the oven, and then I'll come back and show you guys. After your onions brown a little bit, cook a little bit, you can spice the meat with whatever spice you like. So I have blend here, this one. I have mixed spice. I'm going to paprika, going to add beef masala, have chopped up carrots because it's a filler. Depending on your spices, you have to taste first before adding salt, because for example my blend usually has salt, so that's why I taste first before adding salt. And for example right now I don't really need to add salt because it's well salted. And sauteed the carrots. I'm going to add my rice here and stir it, and then I'll go ahead and fill up my bell peppers. So I have my rice here, it's just boiled rice. My filler is ready. Now I'm going to prep up the peppers. They are washed. I'm just going to cut up and then fill them up. So I have my bell peppers ready, and by ready I mean washed. So I'm going to cut the top to open them up like so, making sure I don't waste a lot of it. And then I'm going to remove the core or the seeds inside, leaving just the plate or the bowl like so. And I'm going to place them on my baking sheet. Repeat. Peppers are ready for stuffing, and I'm going to add my stuffing. I already stuffed my bell peppers. Now I'm going to add grated cheese on top. This is the best part. done stuffing, I'm done putting cheese on them, so they'll go into the oven, 350F or 176 degrees Celsius, preheated oven if you like. And it's not like if you like preheating, if you like Celsius, it's 176. I'm going to put them in the oven and I'm going to cook them for 30 minutes and they will be ready to eat. It's been 30 minutes and my bell peppers are ready, so I'm just going to pull them up and they are ready to serve. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. My bell peppers are all done. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, make sure you share, make sure you try also, it's really yummy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.